Hi guys, me. I hope you guys are good. If you are new here, my name is Ayanda, popularly known as Jaco. And if you've been here, thank you so much for tuning in for yet another video, guys. I know I've been gone. Like Udala ndimkile, but I am back now. Back like never left. Back like umgogodla sana. So yeah, today it's Saturday. I am home alone, but I am so sad. I just cooked lunch. I had grilled chicken, gravy, and pap. You know me and pap. So I had order izolo because it was Friday, and wasn't. It's not even about that. I went to Ulandi Otalam a mall because I bought few things, small things, not too much. I missed a price online. Tell me, why am I so disappointed with everything that I got? Like I am Diago, like for real. My lips are so dry. Let me come back. So guys, tell me, why am I so disappointed with everything that I got there? Because it was just an outfit, net bagging it you. Saturday in Puma. Get December boss, you know the vibe. So I'm gonna go out and yo, let me show you. This thing is keeping the bag corner. But as you can see, this is Mr. Price. So if I get like I didn't expect it to be this short. Well, I don't know how to feel about this. I don't know if I'm ever gonna use it. But the reason I bought the bag, it was because I wanted to add on the money, because but he at least the eBay 400 the amount. So I got this trouser in size 36. And I thought I gained weight, guys. I did gain weight, né? And I also wear a size 36 on my jeans. Or I also wear 34, but 36 is also comfortable. So I was thinking, okay, like it's ngifeel alingilingani ibhrugu ke amaronda ke angakaslim. I didn't lose any weight. And this top, it's a bob, like bob tube. So let me fit this and show you guys why am I so disappointed, bandla. Let's go to my room. So guys, this is how the trouser looks. Um, alingani, like this thing, it doesn't make me feel comfortable, you know. But it's not bad looking at myself here. I don't look bad. Oh, Bandla. Okay, I felt I fit separately, ne? But now that I'm looking at myself here, it's not bad. Okay, this is how the top looks because they're on fashion. Yabo. The problem that I have is this thingy. Ukuthi alilingani the way mina ngifuna ngakhona. Ngifuna lihlale like so up here. But alkhoni because of this. Ngazi ngiyankereyana. Do you get it, guys? And also the length, bandla. Oh, cause mina I thought kuti lizoba like this. Yabo, that I'm peleji. I don't know if you can see. Leave it like this, yabo. So I can wear like sneakers or I don't know. But on the picture it looked like this online. It was supposed to be like this, guys. Not like this. But I feel like it's not bad. Meaning that coming on Bataxas. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Oh, and then I was also gonna like match with this bag. You get the vision. So yeah, guys, I am so disappointed. But this top, I'm definitely keeping it. And this one, I don't know if mhlambe ngiyolithungisa yabo. Likhona ukungibamba and then baliphungule kancane. Libe so. Yo, what ke sana, but Sini chini ne? Ay, kali. Enggak, enggak. Nah, hilo. Korean. Okay.
people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I'm worth nothing. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a day from your love, see. Now I came back to let you know. Gotta think of you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. I came back to let you know. Gotta think of you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. When I'm in a daze from your love, see. I came back to let you know. Gotta thank you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you
Morning guys. Hope you guys are good. Gilele a guest bedroom, as you can see, because I changed the sheets, everything is so perfect, and I just decided, let me just sleep in here, because I'm also alone in this house. I don't have any company, so I was like, Ngiyolala guest bedroom. Yeah, well, so yeah, I'm still here. I'm still in Pretoria, and I just woke up now. Yo guys, because last night I had 1 glass of wine. Yo guys, ngalala kamnandi kwami. So today it's Sunday, ne? So I don't know the plans, what's gonna. She wanted to take me out, yeah, well, she wants to take me out. So now the weather is just so gloomy. It's not even gloomy, it's raining. Like when I checked the weather forecast, Guti 99%, imagine. So and yes, so guys, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you reached this part of the vlog, can you please subscribe for me, so that I can keep on coming back with better and better vlogs. Yeah. So yeah, let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. show you ukuthi lina kangangani. Yo, where's the key? Yabo liyana, like I don't know if you can see. Get ready with me. Put it there. I wanted to sneeze, because I have sinus. I need to drink pills. Uyalazi udaba. The cleansing foam. Nowadays I use this thing to wash my face, guys. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube using this. It's from Epepune, and it makes bube le glow. Makes also really glow, but also like vitamin so that keep her that thing, guys. Keep her it glow. I really enjoy using this, but I don't use it every day. And it's so convenient now. I have lashes, now that I have lashes, so convenient, yes, Sana. Then I'm gonna use this nourishing cleansing milk. Let me use this thing. It's nourishing milk, guys. It's not supposed to look like e-sipa. Oh, but it does give me glow, yo. Abanye abantu bafuna ibhili yabo bandla. See my skin, flawless, kesana, flawless. Then I go in with my SPF 15 Super Defense Day Moisturizer. ngiyayiberegisa negane mara engibhora ngokuthi eish iyaqina so angazi if ngiyithola na. If you are using okay, let me show you. Le guys, le even in matte, yeah, it's mattifying my skin, but I don't like that. I don't like that because now when you're trying to lotion your face, it makes yeah, poporana. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I just don't like the texture of it. Oh, love Kesana. Skin. So yeah, good dealing, get ready with me for the day. I'm gonna take a shower and yeah, bye. Hi guys, I come back. I just did my face. I am going out with my friend because she said she wanna take me out since it was my birthday at the beginning of this month. Wabo, so let me up yo. And I wanted to do like a touch up, not too much and all that, but now I feel like it's too much. And examine guys, even the blush, it was, the aim is not to have a full glam, like, but I tried. Hey, I killed this one, but look at the brows, look at the eyebrows. Yeah. I also did my hair yesterday and my lashes. The eyewear girlies are up esana. So I am just gonna spray nyalazudaba. But the thing is, I wanna change the spray as soon as it's pale vela. Okay, I'm saying it. I wouldn't recommend you guys buying the spray. See right for melting. I think melting, yeah. But okay, let me look at myself here. We don't have a lighting in our bathroom. We even in Nashua when it comes to having a bathroom with a lighting, cause like other rooms they do have maratina yo. Asinayo. Well, I'm not sure, but yeah, Tina asina lighting. That's why I'm always using the light and it's not always visible. Make sure you have this brush. It makes the installation look smart. Then I have to strengthen my hair, straighten this week. Oh guys, I look so good. Looking good on a budget. Guess Anna. Imagine if you had to go to someone else to do your installation. Like I've saved up to 1,000 rand just to do lashes in face bead and installation. I'm so proud of myself. The only thing that I do at the salon is my nails and my cornrows, which is like my cornrows are like 80 rand, and then here it's like 250. So